Hello friends, welcome to Designing Sir. Today I am going to start a Solidworks series. In this series we are going to see some Solidworks exercise. Okay, let's start. Open new part. Okay, this is our first exercise in Solidworks. Let's start. Go to Sketch and select front plane. Select midpoint line and draw a line. See, now I am going to draw this diagram. Now select Smart Dimension. The bottom line is 80 mm. See, 80 mm, and the height is 40 mm. See, the radius of inner circle is 10 and the outer circle is 20. Now the angle between these two lines is 45 degree. Length of this line is 10 mm. And click OK. Now these two lines are equal. And select Smart Dimension. Height of this 2 point is 10 mm. Here also 10 mm. Now select Line tool and draw a line. Now select Trim Entities and trim half circle. Now go to Features and select Extruder Brush. Now select this contour and extrude it 30 mm and click OK. See, the extrude of this face is 30 mm. And again select Extruder Boss Extrude. Select Sketch and go to Extruder Boss. Now select this face. The dimension is 40 mm. Click OK. See, the length of this face is 40 mm. See, 40 mm. Click OK. Now I am going to give appearance. Okay friends, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and leave your comments. And if you are not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and share this video with your friends. Thank you friends.